today I'm gonna show you how to create a stunning old vintage portrait photography for a usual portrait photo taken at home, and all this by using Photoshop. So if you're ready, just launch your Photoshop and let's do this magic editing. So on the screen you can see the portrait photo I'm going to work on today, and I already opened two photos in Photoshop. That will be my portrait photo and the second one, background photo, that I'm going to use in my editing process. Our first editing step will be separate the object from the original background. For this I'm going to use the quick selection tool that you can find on toolbar from the left side. On the top menu bar near select subject button, choose cloud detail results and click select subject button. Now you can see this automatic function that already created a selection of the subject, but to make it more accurate, especially near the hair, we have to click select and mask button. So this action will transport us to the new window where you can see all possible tools that allow us to manipulate with the mask. And to make more accurate selection of the hair, I will choose Refine Edge Brush tool. So I will just start to paint over the hair to fill the gaps between hair and original background. Now, when everything looks good for me, I just click OK. And to hide original background, I need to click mask icon that is located down below. So when the selection of the subject is ready, just click on the layer and drag it into the background photo and drop it. Press Ctrl T to select the subject and place it on the position that looks nice for you. Drag by the borders to increase the subject or decrease it, and click Enter when you found the best place for it. Now you can see we have two layers on our layer panel. That will be the subject layer and background layer. And before the next very important step, be sure that you subscribe to this channel and put a big like to this video. Our next editing step will be converting two layers into smart objects. For this, just click on the layer with right mouse button and choose Convert to Smart Object. We will repeat the same action with a model layer. This action will allow us to make a different kind of manipulations with the layer in the future. And now the most interesting part of the editing process is started. Select background layer, go Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, put zero angle and start to move slider into right side to increase the blurriness of the background. When it seems good to you, just click OK. Now we need to duplicate the model layer. For this, just click on the layer and drag it on the little plus icon down below. Now we need to hide the top model layer. For this, select the layer, hold Alt and click on the mask. You will see the little black square appeared near the layer, and it means that everything that you see on the layer is hidden at this moment. Now we need to select model layer that was on the bottom, go Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, set up exactly the same settings of the blurriness as we did it for the background layer, click OK. Now we need to select a mask layer, choose Gradient tool on the toolbar. On the top menu bar, change the type of gradient and select the white color by click on the basics folder and choosing this second option that is default option in Photoshop, and it allows us to apply the specific color on the half of the image. So if you choose this option, just double click on the slider and set up the white main color, click OK and OK. Be sure that mask layer is selected, and now hold Shift on the keyboard and drag with the clicking on left mouse button the line. You can see that our layer that was hidden under the mask is started to show up. Just repeat the same actions and reach results that on your opinion looks nice. In this option I would like also to highlight eyes on the portrait. For this I need to choose brush, set up white main color and paint over the eyes. Please let me know in comments down below if this action was easy for you, or if you find any difficulties, just let me know. I will be happy to answer you and help you to reach the best results in your editing process. And our last touch will be adding the color on the photo. For this I will choose Curves layer. I need to click on this little icon down below and choose Curves. Usually old vintage portraits have this yellowish or reddish tint. For this I would need to go to the RGB channel and choose blue curve, put a dot in the middle of the curve and drag it to the bottom. And pretty much that's it. We created old vintage portrait for a usual portrait taken at home on the wall. And thank you very much for watching this video till the end. For you, a big thumb up to this video if you really enjoyed this editing process, and from me, many new editing tutorials in the future.